Good morning. It's about 6:30, and there are two things that cue me that it's time to wake up. My husband getting ready for the gym, leaving for the gym, and my daughter Keaton coming in the room to announce she's awake. Typically, I don't jump right out of the bed. I do say thank you, God, for waking me up this morning. I'm about to listen to a couple of devotionals I like to start my day with. One is Our Daily Bread. They have several, but I like the video devotional. Then In Touch Ministries, that's where they read a Bible text and then they kind of explain it. So I'm about to do that now before I get out of the bed and move to the next thing. Good morning. I don't like light, and I don't like alarm clocks. All right, guys, I'm done with my morning devotion. After that, I did look at a news report on the recent incident at the school in Madison, Wisconsin. It's just really a sad situation, and I'm just praying for this world and the people in it and people's motives for the things that they do that are just so heinous, Father. I mean, it's just, help them, please. Anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and get out of the bed. I'm going to start warming up Keaton's lunch for her. She may ask me to do her breakfast. I'm not sure. I do need to get some exercise in. That is my general routine, which I had fallen off of when we were traveling. But because I'm working from home today, I have a little bit more flexibility. So I'm going to get a good workout in. And I usually do that here with my TV. So my husband goes to the gym, but I actually prefer working out at home, right here in my room. So I used to do it downstairs in the den area, but I kind of like, she's calling. Let's see what she wants. Yes? Sure, I can do that. Here we go. The day begins. All right, guys. Heading downstairs. It's dark, so bear with me for a moment. So one of the things I do is turn off the porch light, unplug the wreath that is lit. I don't really open the curtains just yet because it's still kind of dark outside and people could really look in here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start breakfast for Keaton. What we typically do is for breakfast, she's been having a veggie patty, eggs, and toast. Well, really just an egg sandwich. So, we got the eggs, got the veggie patty, we have the bread, which looks like it's down to the end. Typically do is use an air fryer for the patty, which we love this air fryer. At first I was like, I don't need any more appliances, but this little guy has become our BFF. Put it on bake. Usually put the temperature. Oops, not time. Time, we only want to give it a bit. Oops. Then we increase the temperature. that's going, we're gonna go ahead and prep the eggs and get the toast ready. All right, guys, now that Kaden is off to school, it's time to tackle the rest of the morning. So what time is it now? It's around 7:20. So what I typically do is use this as a time to turn off the lights on the front porch. And then I'll start opening all the curtains to let the sunlight in. So these lights are on, so all I do is just unplug them. Wow. So I'm also looking outside because we had a package that was supposedly delivered yesterday. I got the notice and I went back, came home, no one saw the package. So, you know, you check the photo where it shows you, where they delivered it. How about it was just a picture of our driveway? There was no package in the driveway, nothing like that. So I'm just looking out here to make sure they didn't like scoot it somewhere. Anyway, we didn't get the package. So they're going to investigate a little further, but that's the first time that's happened to us. That's nice. Did you ever catch our... Is the right kind of fear. OMG, OMG. Here is the package right here. Someone brought it in and guess forgot. Did they brought it in last night? I think we're gonna do this easy 1 mile. Let's go. All right, guys, now that the workout is in, we're going to my favorite part of the day, which is bath time. So I usually run my bath, and then what kind of bath do you guys like? I like mine lukewarm, but slightly more on the warm side. So typically do
My Dr. Teal's. Every day is a spa day for me. I usually use my Dr. Teal's soap as well. But I also like this aromatherapy from Bath and Body Works. Which is still not very much in it, but pour that in, put down to the last bit. Because your girl likes bubbles, okay? I like to start my day with bubbles. So I've estimated that it takes about 10 minutes for the bath to run to the capacity that I like. So during that time, I'm going to go ahead and get my clothes ready so that when I get out of the bath, do my skincare and whatnot, and just get dressed and start my day. So let's get to it. All right, so it's a work from home day. So I always try to be a little casual. Casual, comfortable, but still appropriate. All right, I guess this is the outfit of the day, guys. We're gonna keep it comfortable. Flannel, some leggings, and a shirt underneath. Voila, we are dressed for the day, and now I am in the home office, and I'm just setting up my station. It's 8:50. Meeting starts at 9, so I'm just trying to make sure everything is in place. I've brought down with me my planner so I can look at those things that I've outlined for the day. So I typically have that out in the morning so that I don't get distracted and that I stay on task. So I have that here. I also brought my 2025 planner because as different things come up throughout the day that I want to go ahead and plug in here, I have it available to do so I won't forget. Another thing I do in the morning is I use my budget planner, and I usually just log into my account and see which bills have come out just to make sure I'm tracking things properly. I do this every day, sometimes every other day. Even though most of the bills are automated, I just like to see when they come out, make sure they've come out. Just keep tabs on the account, especially during this time where there's like Christmas and there's a lot of spending going on, just making sure we're staying where we need to stay and no big surprises. And yeah, that's typically what I do in the morning. And yeah, so we're on track. So guys, I think I'm going to, since I have a few minutes, I'm going to make myself a bowl of cereal. I'm going to keep it simple this morning since I'm at home. Just get me a bowl of Honey Bunches of Oats, one of my favorite cereals. I probably have a little hot chocolate to sip on as I go, and an apple. I always like to have some fruit in the morning. And then we'll see what this day has to offer us. Thank you for hanging out with me during my morning routine. I think we're set up pretty good for our day. If you like this video, just go ahead and hit that little check mark down there. Greatly appreciate it. And I would love for you guys to comment. Let me know what your morning routine looks like. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you tomorrow as Vlogmas continues. Have a great day, everybody.